Hello and welcome back to Everly Health. If you're over 50 and living with diabetes or just trying to manage your blood sugar better, then you're in the right place. Let's face it, diabetes can be tough. It's not just about avoiding sugar anymore, it's about making smarter food choices every single day. And vegetables, well, they're not all created equal. Some veggies are packed with fiber, antioxidants, and nutrients that help regulate blood sugar, fight inflammation, and even support your heart and kidneys. But others, surprisingly, might raise your glucose levels or give you very little nutritional benefit at all. So in this video, we're going to break down the top 5 best vegetables every diabetic over 50 should be eating. I'll explain why each one is so powerful, how it helps with diabetes, the best ways to enjoy them, and what to avoid. Stick with me until the end, because veggie number 4 is one that most people overlook, but it can make a big difference. Ready? Let's jump in. Number 1, broccoli, the blood sugar stabilizer. Broccoli is one of the most powerful vegetables when it comes to managing diabetes. It's rich in a special compound called sulforaphane, which has been studied extensively for its ability to reduce blood sugar levels and fight inflammation in the body. This makes broccoli an excellent choice for diabetics who want to keep their glucose under control naturally. Not only does broccoli help lower blood sugar, but it also supports the health of your blood vessels. Diabetes can damage your arteries over time, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. The antioxidants in broccoli protect your cardiovascular system and help maintain healthy circulation, which is especially important for those over 50. Another great benefit of broccoli is its high fiber content. Fiber slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, which helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar after meals. Eating fiber-rich foods like broccoli can also improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body uses insulin more effectively to regulate glucose levels. When it comes to preparing broccoli, the best way to keep its nutrients intact is by lightly steaming it. Overcooking broccoli can destroy some of its important vitamins and sulforaphane. Adding a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice can enhance its flavor without adding sugars or unhealthy fats. Finally, be careful with what you serve alongside broccoli. Avoid heavy cheese sauces, creamy dressings, or frying it in unhealthy oils. Instead, keep it simple and healthy to maximize the blood sugar benefits and keep your meals diabetes friendly. Number 2. Spinach, the nutrient powerhouse. Spinach is truly a superstar when it comes to nutrient density, making it one of the best vegetables for diabetics, especially those over 50. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals like magnesium, which plays a crucial role in controlling blood sugar levels. Studies show that people with diabetes often have lower magnesium levels, so including spinach in your diet can help fill that gap naturally. Besides magnesium, spinach contains alpha-lipoic acid, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. This is important because diabetes often causes nerve damage and other complications due to chronic inflammation. Alpha-lipoic acid in spinach supports nerve health and may even help ease symptoms like numbness or tingling. Spinach is also very low in carbohydrates and calories, but high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for blood sugar management. Fiber slows down digestion and the absorption of sugar, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose after meals. This means you can enjoy spinach freely without worrying about it causing your blood sugar to rise. When preparing spinach, it's super versatile. You can eat it raw in salads, lightly saute it with garlic for extra flavor, or blend it into smoothies for an easy nutrient boost. Just be mindful to avoid heavy creamy dressings or high sugar smoothie ingredients that might counteract its benefits. Finally, pairing spinach with a good source of protein like grilled chicken or eggs can create a balanced meal that helps keep you full longer and supports steady blood sugar levels throughout the day. This makes spinach not just a great vegetable, but a smart addition to any diabetic-friendly diet. Number 3. Carrots, sweet but smart. Carrots might surprise some people because of their naturally sweet taste, but don't let that fool you. Despite being a bit sweeter than many other vegetables, carrots are still a smart choice for diabetics when eaten in moderation. They have a relatively low glycemic index, which means they won't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar like sugary snacks or processed carbs. One of the key benefits of carrots is their high content of beta-carotene, a type of antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good vision, and this is especially important for diabetics who are at higher risk of developing eye-related complications such as diabetic retinopathy. Including carrots in your diet supports eye health and overall immune function. Carrots are also a great source of dietary fiber, which helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Fiber not only keeps blood sugar levels stable, but also promotes digestive health and helps you feel full longer, which can aid in weight management, a key factor in controlling diabetes. When it comes to eating carrots, raw or lightly steamed is the best way to enjoy their full nutritional benefits. Avoid candied or honey-glazed carrots, as these preparations add extra sugar and calories that can negatively affect blood sugar control. Instead, pair raw carrot sticks with healthy dips like hummus or Greek yogurt for a satisfying and diabetes-friendly snack. Lastly, carrots are easy to add into your meals in many creative ways. You can shred them into salads, roast them with herbs, or even blend them into soups. This versatility makes carrots a delicious and convenient vegetable to include regularly in a diabetic-friendly diet. Number 4. Garlic. The secret weapon. Garlic might not look like a typical vegetable, but it's a powerful ally for anyone managing diabetes. This humble bulb is packed with sulfur-containing compounds like allicin, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and help lower blood sugar levels naturally. Many studies suggest that adding garlic to your diet can lead to noticeable improvements in fasting blood glucose. Beyond its blood sugar benefits, garlic also supports heart health, a critical factor for diabetics since they are at higher risk for cardiovascular diseases. Garlic helps reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and fight inflammation, all of which contribute to a healthier heart and blood vessels. This makes garlic a real double-duty hero for diabetes management. To get the most out of garlic's health benefits, it's best to consume it raw or lightly cooked. Crushing or chopping garlic and letting it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking helps activate its healing compounds. You can add it to soups, stir-fries, or roasted vegetables to boost flavor and health benefits without adding sugar or unhealthy fats. One thing to avoid is garlic bread or garlic cooked with lots of butter or oil, because those extra fats and carbs can cancel out the positive effects of garlic. Instead, keep your garlic dishes simple and clean to fully enjoy its diabetes-friendly benefits. Finally, garlic is incredibly versatile and easy to add into your daily meals. Whether minced in salad dressings, blended into sauces, or roasted alongside other veggies, garlic not only enhances taste but also gives your body a powerful boost in managing blood sugar and protecting your heart. Number 5. Cucumbers. The hydrating helper. Cucumbers might seem simple, but they're actually a fantastic vegetable for people managing diabetes, especially those over 50. Since cucumbers are over 95% water, they provide excellent hydration, which is vital because good hydration helps your kidneys function properly, a key concern for diabetics who are more prone to kidney issues. Besides hydration, cucumbers contain important antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, including cucurbitacins. These compounds may help lower blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation in the body, which is essential for diabetes management. Eating cucumbers regularly can support overall health and keep your blood sugar in check. Cucumbers are very low in calories and carbohydrates, making them ideal for a diabetes-friendly diet. Their fiber content helps slow digestion and the release of sugars into your bloodstream, preventing sudden glucose spikes. This makes cucumbers a smart, refreshing addition to meals or snacks. One of the easiest ways to enjoy cucumbers is raw, whether sliced in salads, added to sandwiches, or simply eaten with a light dip like Greek yogurt. You can also infuse them in water for a refreshing drink that encourages you to stay hydrated throughout the day. Lastly, cucumbers pair really well with proteins and healthy fats, which can help balance blood sugar levels even more. For example, a cucumber and avocado salad with a splash of lemon juice makes for a delicious, diabetes-friendly side dish that's both nutritious and satisfying. Smart tip. When incorporating these vegetables into your daily meals, try to focus on variety and balance. Eating a colorful plate filled with broccoli, spinach, carrots, garlic, and cucumbers ensures you get a wide range of nutrients that work together to help stabilize your blood sugar and support overall health. Remember, combining these veggies with lean proteins and healthy fats can further improve blood sugar control and keep you feeling full longer. Also, pay attention to how you prepare your vegetables. Avoid adding extra sugars, creamy sauces, or frying them in unhealthy oils, as these can quickly turn a healthy meal into one that spikes your blood sugar. Instead, choose simple cooking methods like steaming, roasting, or eating them raw with a touch of olive oil and herbs to keep the meals delicious and diabetes friendly. Thanks so much for watching. If you found these top 5 vegetables for diabetics helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips and diabetes-friendly recipes. We're here to help you live your healthiest life with easy, practical advice you can actually use every day. And hey, if you have a favorite veggie or a special recipe that helps you manage your blood sugar, drop it in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Remember, small changes like adding the right vegetables can make a big difference in your diabetes journey. So stay tuned, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.